How to join a Discord server. So if you wish to join a private server, you can simply launch Discord and press the plus sign to add a server. Click join a server button and then invite link, or you can simply enter the invite link. So invites should look like this, and you can easily click on join server after entering the invite link. So this is for the private server. So if you want to join a public server, you need to simply go on explore public service option. And from here you need to discover the server you want to join. Let's say if this is the server that I want to join, you simply need to read the server rules and then you need to simply press join at the top to enter on this public server. Once you're on the server, it will appear on your server list and you can click on any server to join the chat and even invite your friends using the invite link. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.